walking alone through a forest when he heard a noise. He realized he fell prey to a wolf. He tried running away and then stopped. He knew it was in vain. The story, however, ends in suspense.
From atmospheric sounds to a simple screech, we recreated every sound through efficient techniques while exploring the world of Foley artists. A soaked piece of cloth to represent walking and running, a camera box and a plastic bag to recreate thunder, a cloth wrapped in plastic to depict fruits falling, voices to create animal sounds, as well as the howling sound of wind. One main issue while recording water-related sound is the risk of damaging the equipment. Moreover, we had to shoot on campus when noise is inevitable.
However, we have been able to overcome this by making sure the equipments are at a reasonable distance without causing hindrance to the sound being taken. Then again, we had to find a quiet place.